Look at this 2007 BMW 7 Series. Carfax has certified this 7 Series as having one owner. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 25 on the highway. This 7 Series boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 6-speed Steptronic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the standard paint, standard 19 inches star spoke alloy wheels, style 231, comfort access system, light ash interior wood trim, NA with ZSP Sport package, satellite radio, perforated Nosco leather seat trim, standard, convenience package, luxury seating package, premium sound package and the rear entertainment package. Call 877-705-4252 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.